Hello and welcome. The sheer vastness of our oceans presents a significant challenge when it comes to tracking marine life and understanding their often complex movements. But thankfully, technological advancements are offering unprecedented insights into global marine species migration, and this has profound implications for conservation. Several innovative technologies are revolutionizing our ability to map these underwater journeys. For instance, satellite telemetry and biologging involve attaching small, sophisticated tags to marine animals like whales, turtles, and sharks. These tags collect data on location, depth, water temperature, and transmit it to satellites, allowing scientists to track migrations across huge oceanic basins. Acoustic telemetry is another key method. Animals are tagged with acoustic transmitters emitting unique sound pulses detected by underwater receiver arrays. This is particularly useful for studying fish movements in coastal areas and around reefs. GPS tags, while common for land animals, are also effective for marine species that surface regularly, such as seals and sea lions. One of the most cutting-edge techniques is environmental DNA, or eDNA. Scientists collect water samples and analyze them for traces of DNA shed by organisms. This can reveal the presence of species, even rare or elusive ones, without needing to see or capture them. Drones are also proving useful for aerial surveys in coastal regions, helping monitor populations and behaviors. And crucially, artificial intelligence and machine learning are being used to process the massive amounts of data collected, helping to identify patterns, predict migration routes, and even assist in reducing threats like ship strikes on whales. So, how does understanding these migrations help conservation? It's critical. Mapping routes allows us to identify essential breeding grounds, feeding areas, and migratory corridors. This knowledge is fundamental for prioritizing areas for protection and designing effective marine protected areas, or MPAs. It ensures MPAs are correctly sited and adequately sized. Since many marine species migrate across national borders, tracking data highlights the need for international cooperation. Initiatives like the Migratory Connectivity in the Ocean database, known as MICO, provide open-access global maps to support these collaborations. Knowing where and when species are present also helps mitigate human impacts. For example, shipping lanes can be adjusted to reduce whale collisions, and fisheries can establish time area closures to protect spawning populations. Furthermore, as climate change alters ocean conditions, tracking data is essential for monitoring how species shift their patterns and for identifying climate refugia. Of course, challenges remain. There are still significant data gaps for many species. More than 2/3 of marine migratory species are still unassessed. The cost and logistics of tagging and tracking, especially in remote deep-sea environments, can be substantial. Ensuring data is standardized, openly accessible, and shared effectively is also crucial. And a persistent hurdle is translating scientific findings into tangible conservation policies and management actions. Despite these challenges, the continued development and application of innovative tracking technologies, coupled with collaborative efforts to share data and integrate findings into policy, are essential. By shedding light on the hidden journeys of marine species, we stand a much better chance of protecting these vital components of marine biodiversity and the intricate ecosystems they connect. Thank you for joining me.